Hello guys, my name is Ali. On this channel we talk about making money online. If this is something you're interested in, hit that subscribe button. Continue on watching. Today I have a quick short video for you guys showing you how to free up space on your Google account, because it usually comes in they give you 15 gigs of free storage. I upped mine to 100. I purchased additional storage, but it's pretty full. And the way to figure that out, just open up your Gmail like you would normally, and when you scroll all the way down, all right, we come down here at the bottom, you can see that it's pretty full. You see that it says 93%, and then if you click on here, it takes you into your account and it shows you everything you need to see here. So you got 93% storage used, and if you look down here, you got Google Drive, almost a gig full. Gmail, you got 16 gigs. I have a lot of emails here. And Google Photos, I have 76 gigs. So how to free up the space here? It's asking you can either upgrade. Your storage is almost full. Let me make this a little bigger so I can read it. I hope you guys are having a great day. I'm going to put a link below this description. If you guys want to make some money online, just follow that link. It's something that I've been doing for multiple years, and it pays me on autopilot. It's 100% vetted, I guess, if that's the right word. But anyway, so you see how you got over here 76 gigs of almost 77 gigs of photos, Google Photo. So how do you remedy that problem? How do you download these photos all at one shot? Okay, and it's over here, it's saying 93% full. If you run out of space, you won't be able to upload files and photos or send and receive emails. So how do you fix that? You can either dismiss this and just deal with the problem that you have here, which, you know, you're not going to be able to get any emails. That's the most important thing. Or you can upgrade. So those are the two options. The option that I'm going to do is I'm going to download all my photos to my hard drive and delete them from Google Space. And the way to do that is you want to type in, go to your Google search and type in Google Takeout. Okay? Type in Google Takeout, and the first link that you're going to get would be this link right here. So what you want to do, you come down here and you see how that's all the information that Google has stored on you right now. It's stored on there on the drive. So you want to do is, the only thing that we're concerned with is Google Photos. If you scroll down here, where's Google Photos? Google Photos. There you go, Google Photos. Okay, so you want to untick, you want to go over here, say deselect all. You see how everything's checked? Now we got everything unchecked, and the only thing we want to go back and check is Google Photos. Where is it? It was just there. Google Photos. Come on. Where are you, Mr. Photos? So basically you want to go to Google Photos, which is right here, and you're going to tick that one. You want to select that one, put a check mark next to it, and you want to come down to the bottom and you hit next step. Okay, and what it does is going to send you an email. It's going to send you a link to your email. Make sure you're logged in on the right account, and you're going to do that. You're going to find that out by clicking right here, and it'll tell you what email you're logged in on. Okay, so make sure you're logged in on the right email. And default over here, it's going to send it as a zip file, export once, export every 2 months or 1 year. I'm going to do it just export once, and it's going to send me an email. In the email, you'll be able to click and download the photos. So the standard format is a zip file, which is fine with me, and also the file size is 2 gigs. What I want to do, I want to come down here and change it to 10 gigs. This way I can do it all one swoop. And you wait I've already done this a few seconds ago, and I'm waiting on an email to come from Google. And let me see if I have something here. So far, nothing. Google. Yeah, I got nothing from Google. So, but anyway, if you read down here, when you go create export, it'll tell you right here. Where is it? Okay. Come down here and you could see Let me read that out to you guys.
Export in progress. Google is creating a copy of data from Google Photos. This process can take a long time, possibly hours or days, to complete. You'll receive an email when your export is done. Created, March 2nd, 2024, 10:23 p.m.
Okay, so what they're going to do, Google's going to send you an email with a link to download all your photos. And doing it the way, doing it, following the process that I'm showing you here right now, you can download everything in one click, in one swoop. This way you're not going in there trying to download each photo and free up some space on your hard drive. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's really short. I don't have a whole lot to show over here, but I'm pretty sure people always have that problem. Google gives you 15 gigs and it tend to fill up rather quickly. And if you want to free up space, you can either download photos are the largest. So I always like to go to photos and download those first because that's free up the most space. But if you can see down here, if you go to your myaccount.google.com, it gives you basically a breakdown of what's going on. So your storage is amount of storage. I have 100 gigs total, and I have 93% used. And by going to Google Takeout, you'll be able to download maybe 10 gigs, 20 gigs, however you want. You know, it's going to download all your photos. It depends on how many photos you got in there. I have 75 gigs worth of photos. So let me see, where did it go? Right here. I have 77 gigs worth of photos. So it's going to send me, I told it to send me, to download it in chunks of 10 gigs. So that's going to be seven chunks to give me 70 gigs. Or seven, how much is that? 10 gigs? Yeah, 10, yeah. So it's going to be 7 downloads, and each one is 10. So that's going to give me 70 gigs. Well, more than 7. It's almost 8, actually. It's almost 8 downloads because each one's going to have 10 gigs in it. I hope this helps, guys. That's all I have for you. Again, my name's Ali. On this channel, we talk about making money online. If this is something you're interested in, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. If you have any questions, please leave them below. I do read my emails and I respond to, not my emails. I do read my comments and I respond as much as I can. Have a wonderful day and best of luck to you. Don't forget to check out the link below to start your online business. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you.